Dogecoin generally is a minimal coin that generally is right now exchanged at 8 cents per unit, with the market capitalization of $11,711,716,860 that makes it a mid-position cryptographic money. Computerized resources like Dogecoin have currently sort of turned into the point of convergence of consideration for retail financial backers and examiners. Yet additionally for enormous institutional financial backers who see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a compelling fundamental fence against expansion that takes a by and large weighty cost for the worldwide economy. In this way, having basically a piece of the portfolio dedicated to crypto truly is essentially an unquestionable necessity for any dealer and financial backer who needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years. Yet, with it comes the need to intently especially follow the improvements on the expressed market to grasp what is happening and have some feeling representing things to come, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. This Dogecoin cost expectation model was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly advancing crypto space, track down particularly the best coins or tokens to put resources into, and keep the value bend developing. So, how about we center around the Dogecoin market, its ongoing standings, as well as the midterm and extremely long-haul cost forecast that depends on the readings of our really restrictive crypto instability file. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin generally remains at 8 cents, and this specific advanced resource stands firm on the 8th foothold in the worldwide digital money positioning. For really your data, the positioning of each and every digital money is vigorously dependent on its ongoing business sector capitalization and value, and is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most modern data on the resource being referred to. Likewise, to get a sort of better handle of the market circumstance and grasp the overall course of the pattern, or to for the most part enlist its non-appearance, it's likewise vital to examine the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey. Yesterday, on April 20th, the cost of Dogecoin remained at 8 cents at the end of the especially everyday exchanging meeting, which comprises a 8.36% distinction when contrasted with the ongoing cost 7 days prior. On April 14th, the Dogecoin market remained at 8 cents as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. As the outcome, the cost moved by 0% comparable to its current standing. A month prior, on Walk 21, Dogecoin was valued at 7 cents, which generally corresponded with our cost expectation for that specific period. Contrasted with the current place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 9.55% cost move. These figures ought to especially yield you some knowledge into the ongoing business sector structure, though our top-to-bottom cost estimate depends on the appearances of 114. In any case, to grasp the general capability of Dogecoin, or some other cryptographic money besides, it's vital to consider the cost variances as well as changes in the market capitalization of the said advanced resource. With regards to digital forms of money, market capitalization serves more as a mark of the coin's offer or predominance, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its general notoriety with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, which especially is genuinely critical. Numerous digital money brokers view market capitalization as a vital marker to explicitly be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices. It is determined by duplicating the all-out number of coins that are as of now available for use by the ongoing cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, by and by remains at 8 cents. Considering that equation, we have determined the ongoing business sector capitalization of Dogecoin to be at $11,711,716,860, which legitimizes its place as the 8th coin among those present on the cryptographic money market. Yesterday, on April 20th, the market capitalization of Dogecoin in a real sense remained at $12,202,576,458. Keep going week. On April 14th, the in every practical sense, aggregate sum of capital committed to Dogecoin generally was laid out at $1,251,117,160. The information from a month prior, enrolled on Walk 21, explicitly shows that Dogecoin had a market capitalization of $10,202,049,384. Of course, while the market capitalization of Dogecoin fills in as a moderately in every practical sense obvious sign of the size and the presentation of the evaluated digital money, it probably won't be the proof that the exchanging volume on that market is created in adequate amount, as will be made sense of later. The volume could be essential while deciding the especially expected heading of the market and the strength of the expected cost development in one or the other course. As made sense of above, coin supply is a critical variable for deciding the market capitalization of a digital money and its by and large generally speaking speculation potential. Nonetheless, figuring out the distinction between the accompanying three sorts of supply, the coursing supply, the sort of complete stock, and the greatest inventory, in spite of prevalent thinking, is significant. Absolute stock focuses to the quantity of coins that have previously been mined, printed, or generally made and are either flowing available or secured in engineers' or alternately holders' cool wallets. The complete inventory likewise considers any coins that have been scorched to keep a solid expansion rate, which is very critical. It can, in every practical sense, be contrasted with the quantity of exceptional portions of an organization that certainly is public on the financial exchange. The kind of absolute stockpile of Dogecoin as of now explicitly remains at 139,027,386,384 Doge, or so they thought. As currently made sense of, the flowing stock in a real sense is the most normally involved measurement for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to. It relates with the best estimation of the general number of coins that are public on cryptographic money trades and most certainly add to their liquidity. Their volume does exclude the coins that are vested, marked in especially shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or put unavailable for general use in an unobtrusive manner. The circling supply is essentially what could be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the financial exchange. At the present time, the flowing stock of Dogecoin essentially is assessed at 139,027,386,384 Doge as opposed to prevalent thinking. Moreover, the perusing of exchanging volume can assist one with deciding better section and leave focuses in light of the fact that as per the principles of specialized examination, huge cost moves, pattern inversions, or unions frequently happen at the cost levels that are joined by generally high volume, since those basically are the volumes where large cash explicitly had come into especially play. As per our information, the exchanging volume on the Dogecoin market was as per the following. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market added up to $1,563,446,725. Yesterday, on April 20th, the normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting added up to $1,277,905,685. 7 days prior, on April 14th, the force of Dogecoin exchanging all through the meeting came to $810,457,967. This information and the events on the Dogecoin graph can assist you with evaluating for yourselves the current circumstance available and the possibilities of the cost heading in the ongoing course or making an inversion, or so they thought. As currently referenced, the crypto unpredictability file is our very essential instrument for making the most dependable expectations with respect to the cost of Dogecoin in 1 to 5 years' time, or so they thought. It was made by the in-house group of engineers and market examiners and was utilized to test an assortment of beneficial exchanging and venture procedures.